So, just like last year, our first math chapter is place value. And just like last year, we're using our place value chart going from the right to the left, increasing in value as we go to the left. So, if we're starting on our ones on the right hand side, each time we go to the left, it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So the only difference you might notice is that there's more than last year. So last year, when you went to the thousands, this year we're going to see numbers in the 10,000s and even the 100,000s. So for example, if we have these digits placed in these values, each one is going to have a different value. So for instance, there's a 3 in this hundred thousands place and a 3 in just the regular hundreds place. So even though they're the same digit, they have a different value because they are in a different place value. And as always from last year, in the thousands place, that is where we say the word thousand. So if we were going to cover up the 3 and the 4 and just look at the 2, we would say 2,365. So the only difference here is that we're now adding 2 more place values. So if we cover up the end where it says 365, we would say this number on the left as 342. That is the same as the right. The only difference now is that we have the comma, which is where we say the word thousand. So this word we would say as 342,365. So the different forms, standard form as always is just the numbers, the actual numbers themselves. Word form, like it sounds, is the number written out in words. Base 10 form is when we draw what those base 10 blocks look like, using that square piece for the hundreds block, the lines for the tens blocks, and the little dots for the ones cubes. And then expanded form, just like last year, where you write out the value added out. So for example, if we are looking at a number for expanded form, like it's showing in the bottom right-hand corner, we would look at 600,000 plus 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 4, which would give us 645,124. So again, same forms as last year, just dealing with more place values. And that's really going to be the theme of the entire year is building off of what you did last year in order to get to the next step for the current grade level.